parallel lines,
Parallel
parallel lines,
line
and
and
transversal.
transversal. Parallel lines means that we have two lines never intersect together. Okay, so if I will say that this one is L1 and this is L2, so we have here two lines never intersect. If I'm going to draw another line and it will cut this two parallel lines, then we are going to find different types of angles between and around those two parallel lines. So we studied before. Did you remember before when we talk about supplementary angle? Supplementary angles means that their measure equal how many? The angle which their measure equal how many? 180 degrees, right? When you have two angles next to each other, like this is a line, and we draw a ray like this. So the sum of the two angles together should be, when you add them together, angle 1 and angle 2. Those two angles equal 180 degrees. And we said that this one is supplementary. Also, we studied before complementary angles, which their sum together their complementary angle, their sum equal 90 degrees. And we can draw it like a right angle, and we can draw, or we can divide it. It's not necessary to divide it equally, but the sum of the two angles together, they should be 90 degrees. Also, we studied before vertical angle, then with vertical angles, which each two opposite angle, they should be equal and measure. So if I'm talking about the pair of angles which they will be equal in this example, then it will be measure of angle 1 equal measure of angle 2, and measure of angle 4, it will be equal measure of angle 3. Today we will add a new angle relationship between two parallel lines. We can divide this region in front of us into different regions. I can say that this region out is called exterior region, and here also it's out, so we can say that this one is exterior. Okay, so we have exterior and exterior region, and this one we can call it interior. So we have three regions: exterior, interior, and exterior. First, we will start with the angles. I can say that this angle, if I will put a circle here and another circle in this region. Those two circles, I put them in the exterior region, and we can note that one, this is the transversal, so we have one in the left side and the other in the right side. So we can call those two, because we have one in the right and one in the left, so we can call those two alternate exterior angle. And this is the first type of angle which we are going to talk about today. So we have alternate exterior angles. Do we have another pair? We can say that those two are alternate exterior. We can find, Ibrahim. I can put another pair. Here and here. So those two together, you can call that those two are alternate exterior. Why? Because we have one to the left, one to the right from the exterior region. So this is, if I want to describe where is the transversal, so this is the transversal. And we can note that we have one angle to the right hand, one angle to the left hand. So those called alternate exterior angle. I can write that this one angle, for example, this is angle 1, and this is angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. So which pair they will be alternate exterior? One left, one right, and they are lying in the exterior region. So we can say 1 and 8 and 2 and 7. 1 and 8, 2 and 7. So this is the first type of alternate exterior. We can find another type, which is alternate interior. So look at angle 4 and angle 5. Then angle 4 and angle 5, we can say that those two are alternate interior, because we have one right and one left, and they are lying in the interior region. Do we have another pair of interior, alternate interior? Yes, we have angle 3 and angle 6. So the second type of angle, we can say that we have alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. The last type of angles, which is same side angle, same side angles, or consecutive interior angles. Consecutive interior angles or same side angle. Then we can call it same side angles, same side interior angles. Same side interior angles or consecutive interior angles. Where we can find, where is the interior region here? So we will say that those two angles together are called same side interior angles. And their sum, it will be 180 degrees. Where we can find another pair in the opposite sides, we can find another pair consecutive interior angle. Their sum it will be equal 180 degrees. So if we want to describe the position for the two angles, we can say again 1 and 8 alternate exterior, 2 and 7 alternate exterior, 3 and 6 alternate interior, 4 and 5 alternate interior, 4 and 6 interior same side interior angle, and their sum should be equal 180 degrees. 3 and 5 same side interior angle, and we can note that same side interior angle, they are lying in the interior region. For this reason, we can say that those are consecutive interior angles. Then 4 and 6, their sum together, it will be 180 degrees. This is plus the last angle or the last relation between two angles that we can say now. Angle 1 and angle 4. What is the relation between angle 1 and angle 4? Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angle. 6 and 7 vertical angle. 5 and 8 vertical angle, and so on. So this is what the first part which we want to talk about, parallel lines and transversal. That transversal, when we have two angles and those two angles are in the same side of the transversal but one up and one down, so we will find a new type of relation between angles which is called corresponding angles. So it's called what? Corresponding angles. And with corresponding angles, we will find two angles in the same side of the transversal. One up, we will skip a line and it will be here. Then we can say angle 2 with angle 6. Do we have another pair of angles? We can say that they will be corresponding. Do we have another pair? They will be corresponding angle. They should be in the same side of the transversal, which means I can put one here with 1 and the other one will be with 5. So those two are corresponding angle, like you want to cross this line. Okay, what else? It will be corresponding angle. What else? We can say that those are two corresponding angles. We can say angle 4 with angle 8. So angle 4 with angle 8. What else? We can use angle 3 with angle 7. Angle 3 with angle 7. So with corresponding angles, 2 with 6, 4 with 8, 1 with 5, 3 with 7. So once we will skip a line in the same line of the same side of the transversal, so we can donate it by two corresponding angles. Then we said 4 and 8 are corresponding, 2 and 6 are corresponding, and so on.